Yo guys, what's up? It's Alex from GMGStudio. Today we want to improve our code quality in Gymlex, and first of all we want to measure the time our project takes to build. So we will enable it in the terminal. As you can see on the top right, it takes now about 2 seconds. The only thing we have to do is to write defaults, write com blah blah blah. Yes, I will put it in the description. Now we will open our onboarding package, and in the package.swift file we will add the dependency of SwiftLint with the version 0.510. And in the target of onboarding UI we want to add the plugin of SwiftLint. So now we can build our project, and as you can see there are some dependencies on the left hand side and the project is building. Now Xcode asks us if we want to trust this plugin. And I can say we can trust SwiftLint, but I wouldn't trust every plugin. So be careful what plugins you trust. Now we can build it again. And you can see there's one warning. It says that there's a to-do comment and we have to solve the to-do comment. Now you can see why I like this. Now let's clean Xcode again and build it again. So we get some time. It's 1.3 seconds. It actually went down, but yeah. Now let's fix this to-do comment. We just have to remove a comment because there's a lot to view already. This is the reason why I like SwiftLint. Now after rebuilding you can see that the warning is gone and the review should still work. Let's check, and it's still working. Now let's open the terminal. I want to show you something really cool. First of all, write twist edit, and we want to go to our project file. We want to enable a really helpful warning. To do this, we want to write .other Swift flags, and we want to add -x frontend, -1 log, -expression, blah blah blah. Now you're asking yourself, Alex, why do I want this? This will throw a warning every time a function or a type check needs longer than 1 millisecond to compile. Guys, do you know how useful this is? There are so many projects, or basically Xcode projects, that compile forever. I compile an app and it takes 10 minutes. This is just really bad. And we don't want this. So we will throw a warning every time the type check or function body takes too long to compile. Now you can see it in Xcode, we get 2 warnings. Let me say this, 1 millisecond is way too low. We want to go with 5 milliseconds or maybe 10 milliseconds or 20 milliseconds. But we want to get the warning if something takes too long to compile. This will help us in the long run. And if you bring this into your project and the other people don't know about this, they will look at you and like, wow, this is so useful. For now, I will put it to 5 milliseconds. Maybe I will put it to 10 or 20 later, but I just want to start really low. Now we regenerate our Xcode project, and if we compile the project again, the warning should be gone. This is really helpful, guys. I really love this. I also enabled SwiftLint in the UI components package, and I get a warning which is in direct conflict with SwiftLint, and I want to disable this warning, and I want to show you how to do this. First of all, we copy pasted the .swift format file because we need a .swiftlint file, and this is the easiest way to do it. We will change the name to .swiftlint.yaml, and now we can open the file. When we go to the readme of SwiftLint, I will put the link in the description. Copy paste everything they have, but not the disabled rules. We can remove everything else. Now you can see the disabled rules and the opt-in rules, but we only need the disabled rules. And you can see in this warning in Xcode, it says trailing comma is the name of the rule or the ID, and we want to disable this rule. Now if we go back to Xcode and compile again, the warning is gone. Magic. And now we want to move this .swiftlint.yaml file into this package. Because we want the package to be complete, and because we wanted to disable the rule in this package, we move the .SwiftLint YAML file in this package again. And you can see the warning is still gone. Guys, this is it. This was the tutorial how to improve your build time and how to improve your code quality with SwiftLint. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. See you next time.
Like the video if you liked the video, dislike the video if you disliked the video, subscribe if you want to be notified on our future content. We are also on Instagram and Facebook. Feel free to follow us there as well. And have a great day. Start creating, stop consuming.